I want to show you something that completely changes how most people learn piano chords, because a lot of beginners try to memorize all 12 major chords one by one. But look at this chart. Do you notice something? Many chords actually share the same physical shape, and your hands are much better at remembering shapes than memorizing individual note names. So instead of thinking about 12 separate chords, let's think about a few simple patterns. The first group is what I call the white chords. C major, F major, and G major. Look at the keyboard, all three notes of each chord land on white keys, different locations, same visual idea. White key, white key, white key. Your fingers quickly learn that feeling. Then we have the white chords, D major, E major, and A major. Notice the pattern? Outside notes are white. Middle note is black, white, white. Once your hand recognizes that shape, you've learned three chords at the same time. Now look at the next group, black, D flat major, E flat major, and A flat major. Again, same concept. Black key, black key. Different starting points, same physical pattern. This is where piano starts becoming much easier, because you're no longer memorizing dozens of separate facts. You're recognizing shapes, and that's how experienced players often think. Now look at the remaining three chords. These don't fit neatly into the previous groups. They each have their own unique feel. G flat major is especially easy to spot because it's the only major chord here that uses all black keys. It's basically the celebrity chord of the keyboard. Now, here's the really exciting part. Once you know your major chords, you already know your minor chords. You don't have to start over. You don't have to memorize 12 more completely new shapes. You simply make one tiny adjustment. Take any major chord, find the middle note. Now move that middle note down by one key, just one half step. That's it. The outside notes stay exactly where they are. Once you understand this rule, you've unlocked all major and minor chords on the piano, not by memorizing 24 separate formulas, but by understanding one simple relationship. And this is exactly why learning chord shapes is so powerful. For learning piano and daily practice, you can also use the Harmono Piano app. It has a chord library that lets you quickly look up chords and see their shapes on the keyboard. And while you're practicing, it can actually hear you play, help catch mistakes, and give you feedback in real time. So if you're working on chord recognition, chord progressions, or building muscle memory, it's a useful way to reinforce what you're learning here. Remember, don't try to memorize 12 separate chords. Learn the shapes, learn the patterns, and once your hands recognize the patterns, the chords start taking care of themselves.